So guys, this is a website about mathgames.com skill. We will solve mixed equation with number up to 100. The question is, while camping, Mia and friends ate 2 marshmallows. Upset that they were out of marshmallows, Mia went and bought 17 more, which they ate. How many marshmallows in total did Mia and her friends eat? So in this question, it's asking about the total. How many marshmallows did they eat? Like 17 plus 2. We have to add it. 17 plus 2 is 19. So the answer will be 19 marshmallows. Let's check it. It's correct. The another mixed equation is a city bought 10 new snowplows last winter. Each snowplow cost $7. How much did the city spend on snowplows? A city bought 10 new snowplows last winter. Each snowplow cost $7. So here each snowplow cost $7 and a city bought 10 new. So we will multiply here. It's increasing. So 10 multiplied by 7 is equal to 70. Let's check the answer. Choose the best answer. A leopard has 17 spots on average look. The leopard wants more spots and draws on 18 more. How many spots in total does Luke have? Now leopard has 17 spots and again he wants more spots and 17 more spots now. So what we will do, we will add again. They are asking about the total. So we will add 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7 is 15. So 5 will be here and 1 will be carry. And 1 plus 1 2 and we will add carry, so 3. So the answer will be 35. Choose the best answer. You have counted all the bugs in your basement to a grand total of 17 only to realize that 10 are actually pill bugs. To save yourself from counting them all again, use math to find out how many bugs are in your basement. You have counted all the bugs in your basement of a grand total of 17 only to realize that the 10 are actually pill bugs. To save yourself from counting them all again, use math to find on how many bugs. So you have to tell about the only bugs. So 17 the totals and 10 are pill bugs. So 17 minus 10 is equal to 7. In a habitat of arcanets, there are 18 spiders in total. 18 spiders. And of those spiders, 15 are tarantulas. How many of the spiders are not tarantulas? 18 are arcanet and 15 are tarantulas. So 18 minus 5. We will do subtraction here. So here the answer will be 3. Angela add 5 blocks of cream cheese for each cheesecake. She makes 5 blocks of cream cheese for each cheesecake. If she makes 18 cheesecake, how many blocks of cheesecake does she need to buy? So here I increasing. Angela add 5 blocks of cream cheese for each, and now every cake there are 5 blocks of cream cheese. So here are increasing ratio. So we will multiply here. 18 multiplied by 5. 5 8s are 40. 4 will be here and 0 will be here, and 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5 and 90. 5 8s are 40 and 90. So 90 will be the answer. 18 multiplied by 5 is equal to 90. Chicken lay an egg a day. If a farmer owns 15 chickens, then how many eggs would he gather over the course of 11 days? Chicken lay an egg a day. If a farmer owns 15 chickens, then how many eggs would be gathered over the course of 11 days? So we will be doing multiply here. 1 5s are 5 and 1 1s are 1, and the answer will be 1 5s are 5 and 1 1s are 1. Then again 1 5s are 5 and 1 1s are 1. I think 165. Yes. If there are 7 amoebas on Tuesday, how many amoebas will there be the next day if they multiply at the rate of 9 amoebas per day? So we will be multiplying here. 7 multiplied by 9 is equal to 63. The next mixed question with number up to 100 is choose the best answer. An orchardist has 9 packs of seeds. Each pack will grow 15 trees. How many trees will the orchardist have after planting all the seeds? An orchardist has 9 packs of seeds. So what we will do, each pack will grow. So here is increasing ratio. So 15 multiplied by 9 we will do it. 5 it's a 45, 9 is 45. 5 will be here and 4 will be carry. Then the answer will be 135. 9 ones are 9 and we will add 4. So in that way you can play so many games. So mix equation with number up to 100. Let's check it out. This start. The zoo displays that it has 64 monkeys, but actually 33 of them are X because they don't have tails. So how many actual monkeys are the zoo? So we will do subtraction here. 64 minus 33. 4 minus 3 will be 1, and 6 minus 3 will be 3. 31. In a habitat of arachnids there are 44 spiders in total, and those of spiders 8 are tarantulas. How many of spiders are not tarantulas? (44 minus 8). So the answer will be 44 minus 8 is 36. Fat house cat sleeps and is fed 46 pieces of food per day and steal 20 pieces of food per day. How much food does fat house cat eat in a day? Fat house cat sleeps and is fed 46 pieces of food per day and steal 20 pieces of food per day. So 46 minus 20 is equal to 6 minus 0 is 6 and 4 minus 2 is 2, 26. Fat house cat sleeps and is fed 46 pieces of food per day and steal 20 pieces of food per day. How much food does fat house cat eat in a day? We will do subtractions. How much food? So here we will do total 6 and 4 to 66 will be the answer. Students collect water samples from the nearby pond and are told to count the organism under a microscope. There are 2 types of organism in the water bears and 27 flagellates. What is the total count of organism in the sample? 23 and 27. Total we have to tell 7 plus 3 10 and 6. 7 plus 3 is 10 and 2 plus 2 is 4 and then 1 5, 50. In a habitat of Arcanet there are 50 spiders in a total, and of those spiders 19 are tarantulas. How many of the spiders are not tarantulas? We will do subtraction here. (31) 50 minus 19 is 31. Astrophysicists found a new solar system they said had 59 planets, but after further investigation it turns out 39 of the planets were asteroids. How many planets are in the solar system? Okay, so 15 minus 9 is 0 and 5 minus 3 we will do subtraction here. While chopping up a coconut into 13 pieces, 6 pieces fall onto the floor. The floor is gross, so you throw them out. How many pieces of coconut do you still have to eat? While chopping a coconut into 13 pieces, 6 pieces, 13 minus 6, we will do subtraction. 7 left. Now we are going to play 3-digit division game. So here is the question. This is the website mathsgame.com. I found this website is very useful for the student who wants to learn about the division word problem. I will share this link. Let's read the question. A teacher is splitting students up into groups. If there are 114 students and the teacher wants 2 students per group, how many groups will there be? So we have to tell about the groups. How many groups will there be? 114 students and teacher wants 2 students per group. So we will divide it. 2 5s are 10 and 1 will be carry here. 2 7s are 14. 57 groups. Let's check the answer. You are hosting a party for 2 friends, okay, and have baked a cake for them. You can slice the cake into 206 pieces. How many whole slices can you give each friend? Again, we will divide it. 2 10s are 20 and 2 3s are 6. So 103 pieces. Let's check the answer. The zoo has recently received 264 penguins. Okay, they know penguins like to stay in group of 4. How many cages does the zoo need to keep all the penguins happy? So we have to tell about the cages. So we have 264 penguins and we have to tell about the cages does the zoo need. So 4 6 are 24 and 4 7 are 28. So 4 6 are 24. 2 will be carry and 4 6 are 24. 4 6 are 24 here and 4 6 are 24 again. So 66 cages is the answer. Savannah cut 652 slices of watermelon and divided them evenly among 4 platters. How many watermelon slices are on each plate? On each plate we have to tell about the watermelon slices on each platter. Savannah cut 652. Divide it, okay, again. 4 ones are 4 and 2 will be carry, then 4 6 are 24, then 1 will be carry, 4 3 are 12. 163 slices will be on each platter. The zoo has recently received 282 penguins. They know penguins like to stay in group of 3. How many cages does the zoo need to keep all the penguins happy? And we have 4 options here: 91, 96, 84 and 94. Let's check the answer. 3 6 are 24, 3 6 are 18, 3 8 are 24, 3 9 are 27. So here will be 9, 3 9 are 27, 1 will be carried, 9 and 3 4s are 12. So our answer is 94. Let's check the answer. A father is dividing up his hand to his 5 sons. They will fight if they don't all get the same amount. How much land should each son get if there is 670 acres? So we have to divide it and we have 4 options: 166, 147, 130 and 134. So 5 ones are 5. Then again here is answer 1 and 1 will be carry. 5 3s are 15, 1 and 3, 2 here, 5 4s are 20. 134, 1 3 4 our answer. Andrew cut 138 slices of watermelon and divided them evenly among 2 platters. How many watermelon slices are on each platter? Divided 2 6 are 12. So here will be 6, 1 will be carried. 2 9s are 18, 6 and 9 is our answer. So 69 watermelon slices are on each platter. The zoo has recently received 425 penguins. They know penguins like to stay in group of 5. How many cages does the zoo need to keep all the penguins happy? We will check the answer by doing division. We have to divide 425 into 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 8s are 40, so 8 will be here, and 5 5s are 25. 8 and 5 is our answer, 85. So this one will be the answer. Let's check the answer whether it is correct or wrong. It's correct. Now the next question, a group of 333 students are going on a roller coaster with 3 cars. How many students will be in each car? So we have to tell about that how many students will be in each car. We have 333 students are going on a roller coaster with 3 cars. And we have 3 cars and students are 333. So again we will divide it. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3 and 3 ones are 3. So 111 is our answer. Let's check the answer. Now choose the best answer. There are 2 fire trucks and 298 firemen. There is a fire. All available firemen must get into a truck to go fight it, but you want the same number of firemen in each truck. How many firemen will there be in each truck? So there are 2 fire trucks and we have 298 firemen. So again we will divide it. 2 ones are 2. Oh, sorry. 2 ones are 2. 2 4s are 8 and 2 9s are 18. 2 ones are 2. 2 4s are 8 and 2 9s are 18. So 1 4 and 9. That means 149 is our answer. Let's check the answer. Yes, it's correct. So this is a website I have found. This is a very useful website. There are so many games here. You can play it. Geometry games, subtractions, classify, quadrilateral shapes, area with squares and units, area with unit and squares, and you can see here so many topics. Time, you can play a time game, measurement game, graphing, estimation, number properties, mixed equations, division, fraction, missing factors, multiplication games, subtraction games. So try this website, explore new games. It is very useful. mathsgame.com. I hope you like this video. Kindly share your feedback. Thank you.